The United States is the strongest country in the world. On the globalfirepower.com website, the United States ranks first, beating Russia and China, which ranks second and third. The United States Air Force revealed recently that they will cut spending on military equipment, especially combat aircraft. They will reduce purchases of F-35 combat aircraft. This superpower country was hesitant, devoted some of its funds to getting a new version of its oldest fighter, the F-15 Eagle, or even for the newest F-35 Lightning fighter jet. The United States military budget of more than $738 billion is unprecedented in history, but that has only made the scramble for monetary ration even more fierce, the National Interest reported. One of the battles currently raging revolves around a seemingly simple question: should the U.S. Air Force devote part of its funds to acquiring a new version of its oldest fighter, the F-15 Eagle, or devote every dollar available to the newest F-35 Lightning fighter jet? This time, we are not discussing the F-35, but we will review a little about the F-15EX. The F-15EX fighter jet is expected to support the modernization of the U.S. Air Force by combining a combat management system, advanced sensors and digitally designed weapons. Let's discuss the brief specifications of this bird. The Boeing F-15EX has the Eagle Passive, Active Warning and Survivability System electronic warfare system developed by Base Systems to increase mission effectiveness and survivability. Then on the radar, equipped with Raytheon Technologies and APG-82 radar, digital cockpit flight control. This fighter jet features fly-by-wire flight controls, a digital cockpit cabin, and is supported by the modern features of the Honeywell ADC-P2 computer system. Reporting from the Boeing website, the F-15EX fighter jet can carry more weapons than any other fighter in its class. Additionally, it can launch hypersonic weapons up to 22 feet long and weigh up to 7,000 pounds. The F-15EX is the most advanced version of the F-15 ever built, in large part because of its digital backbone, said Boeing F-15EX program manager Lori Schneider. Meanwhile, the most significant difference between the F-15EX and the legacy F-15 lies in the Open Mission Systems (OMS) architecture, which allows for the fast insertion of the latest aircraft technology.